Low maintenance, newer duplex. Yes, electricity and gas are separately metered. Paved driveway and off-street parking. There's additional parking at the end of Terrell Avenue that tenants have used for parking in the past. Tucked up against a row of trees, this well-built duplex is super solid. This is the entry to the lower unit. The duplex was freshly painted in 2017. Inside, both units have an identical floor plan. This is the lower unit. Newer vinyl windows throughout both units. The kitchen is open to the living room. Newer glass top stove. All appliances are included in the sale. Spacious kitchen. The fridge in the upstairs unit is larger than this one.